Namirawa Obedani Dirite Sebo Muimbi Imbira Kaimba Dear fellow artists, my name is Bobby Wine, your fellow entertainer, and I want to draw your attention to the deliberate attack on the entertainment industry. You see, some 2 years ago, when my music was abolished and all my shows cancelled by the government, many of my fellow artists said, it is just a Bobby Wine issue. But today, as we speak, our fellow artists, the Bizonto Comedians Group, are in illegal detention. Our fellow artist, Gerard Chiwewa, is in jail. Why? For singing the truth. And as if that is not enough, I'm sure by now all of us have learned that we have been slapped with very oppressive regulations, where before you record any song, before you record any comedy skit, before you come up with any poem, or even drawing a picture or producing a movie, you must get permission from the government. Now the government want to become our songwriters. They want to determine whatever comes from our brains. They want to control us. And they are not doing this because they love the entertainment industry. They are doing this because the music and entertainment industry produced one person called Kyagulanyi Ssentamu and is threatening the status quo. And they want to make sure that no single artist comes from the entertainment industry and rises like Kyagulanyi Ssentamu. I want to remind all of us, brothers and sisters, that if we don't rise and defend our God-given right to freedom of expression, if we don't rise up and defend our creativity, one day this entertainment industry will be no more. Please remember that nobody is safe. No artist is safe, because unfortunately some of our fellow artists and yes, respectable people in the music and entertainment industry have already been compromised to either be silent or to support these oppressive regulations. I'm reminding all of us to rise up now and assert our voices and defend what is rightfully ours, because freedom of expression is a right. Entertainment and creativity is a human right. And remember that no creative, no artist is safe. We are all under attack. Turumbidwa. So remember that. Imbira